Hello, my friends. Here we have something incredible. It's our new DIY crochet kit for making a dress Ameli for our new student, for our new client from the United States. So we have here fantastic colors: middle blue, dark gray, middle gray, light gray, and also additional color. It was chosen by our client. It's this one, purple, like a beautiful accent, and it looks really fantastic here together with all these colors. We made a lot of samples because we wanted to make different color designs of each element, and it will give big inspiration to our student, to our client, I'm sure, and she will be able to choose what colors, what color combinations she likes the most, and she can repeat several elements like this for her design. Yes. And also we have something incredible here. We made these beautiful fringes that we are using at the bottom of the dress. They are so silky, beautiful, shiny. It's the main color, middle blue, and each cell has 25 cells. And I really love this color, and it's my favorite Italian viscose. We cannot compare this thread with anything else. So right now everything is ready to send. I need to pack beautiful threads. I need to place motifs inside of this magazine together with colored schemes. Also, we have here fabric pattern specially designed for my new student. I used her individual measurements like bust, waist, hips, length of the dress. Also, we have such measurement like depth of neckline, so we can create anything our client wants, and that's why it's perfect. By using such high quality fabric pattern, my client will get fantastic result. This dress will be like a second skin, perfect size, incredible high quality thread, beautiful design, and fantastic colors. Just, I love it. I love it. The DIY crochet kits created by our school, this is the best that we can do for our students, for our clients. We are thinking about everything, about high quality threads, about color combination, about amount of these threads. Each time we are giving more threads. So our student can be just very, very calm and work just peacefully with all these threads and materials, because we have everything we need here to achieve incredible result. So this is the main color, additional colors. Yes, we have printed schemes already, so it's nice to work with paper. Yes, when you have colored scheme on paper, it's so nice to work. Also, these all samples, we have a lot of them. They are ready to use, totally ready. We hide tails, we iron it and stretch it. These all motifs, and we have here the same colors. So it's just part of work ready. It's nice beginning. It's really perfect beginning, I can say. It gives energy, inspiration, and it's so nice to have such ready part of work when you start such beautiful project. So we have also two crochet hooks, 1.7 millimeters and 2.1, and also USB flash drive with all tutorials inside. We have here PDF lessons with colored schemes created by me, tasted by me in real life a lot of times, thousands of times. Also, we have instructions for these all schemes, for all the steps in English. And the main thing, video tutorials. I showed there everything from the first loop to the last stitch, how to create this dress. So we will have, first of all, how to create motifs. We have here this presentation. So we have a lesson about motifs, Daphne, Diane, also about flower talisman, big one, small one, about flower with 3 petals, small leaves, terry. Next, lesson number 3 about flower with wings. After we have a lesson about fringes, we already have them because it's special DIY crochet kit. After we have lesson about big grids that we are using for the skirt, the front side and back side has such grids. Next we have composition, fabric pattern is totally ready. Fabric pattern, next composition of motifs, how to create joinings, how to create this structure from 2 grids, 2 fringes, and next we should attach this structure to ready lace. And the last step, we should make edging, very interesting edging around the neckline, around the armhole lines. It has 2 layers of edging. It's so beautiful and interesting because we are using main color, in our case ivory, first layer of edging, and below we are using another color, like we have here, for example, multicolored thread, and we are making second layer of edging, the same around the neckline. And only this dress has such unique design. I love it. Also, we have decorative cords. We should make them in colors that we have here, from these additional colors mainly, but also we should add a little bit of main color, because in such way we can get harmonious design, mix it all colors, yes. And these decorative cords, they are beautiful. We should join them at the front side of the dress where we have this grid, and we are making there such big knots several times. And in total we have, like, I think 7 cords, different lengths a little bit, and a few knots. And also we should mix colors in different way a little bit. Some cords more brighter, some lighter, some in main color, like in our case this will be middle blue. And this is a final accent that we are using to decorate this incredible dress. And like you see, we have these fringes already, these fringes at the bottom. They are so beautiful. Nice edging of the dress with such fringes. So I love this dress. It's one of the most popular dresses in our crochet school. A lot of people all over the world created already this dress in different colors, in different sizes for special events, and it's really fantastic. So right now I will pack, let's place here inside all these motifs, samples, and I will place them together with colored schemes. So let's start. First lesson is about motif Dion. It's incredibly beautiful. Let's look closer. It's my outer motif. I am using this element very often for my projects because it's so beautiful, gorgeous. We have 8 petal flower in the middle, also 4 twigs. In the end we have puff stitches with picots, and it's incredibly beautiful. We have this in our lesson number 1. We have scheme. Yes, I will place it right now. We have scheme for this element, and we have also incomplete elements. They are very beautiful. Also, we are using them as the upper part of the dress, and there we have some seam areas. That's why we should use like these elements, and even with 1 twig close to the shoulder seam we have very small area, so such elements are perfect for this area. So we have this colored scheme. We have video tutorial about this motif, Dion. So everything is for our students. It's nice dress even for beginners because these elements are not so small, like for example Irish lace, so it's nice to work with. Next we have a motif Daphne. It's also one of the most beautiful motifs in our designs. Just look how gorgeous this element is. Incredible motif. Also in middle blue, because we are using this element at the upper part of the dress, and there should be mostly we are using our main color, in our case middle blue. After we have, yes, we have next lessons about flower talismans, so let's look next. We made a lot of them just because we wanted to combine different colors and try a lot of options. So, and these flowers are so beautiful. A beautiful shape, a beautiful design, solid petals. So we don't have here a lot of big holes. It's perfect to use for dresses, for blouses. Incredible motif. And also we added this purple, and I love the result. Just look how beautiful this flower is. Yes, we have 4 elements, even 5 elements like this, and 6 big flowers. So we love to crochet, we love our students, we want to give them a lot of beautiful ready-made motifs, just because they will work, I think, first time with such threads. They should see these samples, different samples. This will help them to create this project because it's really big work, important work. We are making evening dress, so we should help them in the beginning. Just it will be nice beginning, big motivation, and also inspiration, because when you see such beautiful flowers, it's really nice emotions, nice feelings. After we have small flowers, 3 petals. Also we made 4 in different color design. Just look how beautiful they are, just incredible. And also a small flower talisman, different 4 options. First one, second one, third and fourth. Yes, Let's place them together with our beautiful schemes, high quality schemes. And we have also video tutorials about each motif, so it's a really big pleasure to work with such high quality tutorials. Also, I forget about a small leaf starry. Yes, we have them, I think, here scheme, but we can place it here on this page. We have a lot of them. They are very useful. We are using small motifs between big elements just to close gaps, and we should create them in different colors. And when we are making composition, we can choose what color will be better for this area. Maybe blue, maybe light green or middle green, middle gray, sorry. And I think it's not so good to make them in very dark color, because maybe it will be not so nice to close gaps with such dark laces. It's nice to use middle or light colors for such work. Okay, let's place elements here. This beautiful leaf starry. Okay, and next we have one of the most beautiful motifs, flower with wings. It's a really big one. It's soft, it's silky. I made it in main color because we are using this element, I think, at the back, at the upper part of the dress. So we have here also scheme. And after we have fringes, we have them ready, and we have also this grid. Fringes I will place to another package just together with spreads, and we have sample of diagonal grid. We have it here also. Scheme for fringe and for diagonal grid we have here. Okay. Okay, great, nice. So we have fabric pattern, we have our magazine. Now I will pack these threads and also 2 fringes, very accurate. Let's take packages for this. So let's pack. I will have 2 packages with threads, and after everything together I will pack. So here we have gray colors. Okay. And purple colors. So the first is ready, and now the second one. We should pack also the main very beautiful blue color. It's incredibly beautiful. And this dress in this color will be gorgeous. Okay, we have these beautiful threads, and now just I need to pack very nicely our beautiful fringes. So first fringe I packed like this, and now I will place second one here. Just will be nice to have them in separate package. Okay, so now we have everything. Beautiful yarns, fabric pattern, journal with schemes, also our fringes, and USB flash drive, 2 crochet hooks, and everything is ready to send. So I think such DIY crochet kit is the best what we can give to our students, and this will be just a fantastic beginning of a big journey to create dress like this. And also my student can count on my support during all this work. I will gladly help you with all steps, so it will be nice to work together on this project. My friends, thank you so much for watching this presentation. You can find DIY crochet kits in our Etsy store. Link you will find just below this video in description. Also, I will gladly prepare for you individual DIY crochet kit for any of our projects. We have a lot of dresses, blouses, tops, skirts, summer crop top, even coat. We have scarf, tablecloths, everything you want. I can create for you special DIY crochet kit with beautiful threads in your favorite colors, samples, fabric pattern in your size. So for me it's a really big pleasure because I love to crochet. I am crocheting all the time. So just send me a message by using information in description. We have their WhatsApp, we have email, phone number, so you can contact me and I will gladly prepare for you something incredible. Like always, I wish you big inspiration, beautiful crochet results, easy work, and create something big like a dress or blouse or tunique. And this is the best, I think, that what we can crochet, and because we can after wear it for special event, for holidays, for summer sunny days, it's the best what we can do for ourselves. So thank you so much, stay safe, and see you at the next videos. Bye bye for now, my friends. Bye bye.